Near future is the Seven of Swords. Someone may try to make off with something of yours. Maybe you feel like people are trying to rip you off all the time, or just, do underhanded stuff. You may be feeling like someone is flying under the radar around you, not being 100% honest with you. So, the Empress is the possible future outcome and advice from the universe. The Empress is about growth and blessings coming in. So you can have growth and blessings, even though you feel like there was bad luck going on, even though you felt like maybe you lost a little independence and some finances, and maybe you have to drop something to go get this, blessing that's coming in. What is coming towards you is the outside environment, the Hangman. Someone is no longer holding back. It's the Hangman in reverse. Someone just no longer holding back, and things are not going to be stagnant in the future. Your hopes and fears is the Knight of Wands. Maybe you're wanting more a passionate situation in your life, passionate people. Maybe you're looking towards a fire sign. Maybe you want them in your life. Maybe you're just wanting something to move forward again, like I said, with passion. In the end, you got hope. There's hope in the end. There's blessings and hope in the end. So don't give up, Pisces. You feel like someone kind of messed you over, though. For some of you, some of you could have, been robbed, Others, something taken from you without you knowing. It may have cost you. Could have been this person that was watching. But you dropped the ball on something. Maybe someone around you. Maybe someone stole from you because of an addiction. I don't know. It's all different things. But someone definitely did something underhanded to Pisces. And Pisces, looks like you're going to drop the situation. There's going to be no more stagnation. Let me put it that way. And I'm going to find out what the blessings are and the hope that is coming in. And a lot like the Star card. The Star card is a lot like the Wish card in some way. If you hope, strong enough, you go for it, what you're wanting, in a very hopeful and outgoing situation. Really put the energy out there. You can get what you're wanting, okay? But let's go back to the beginning. Why the Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Devil crossing it? Why is it there? I need 2 cards for Pisces. Yeah, you may want to watch your purse, your money, your wallet, because you made some of the wrong decisions on trusting the wrong people. They were telling you what you wanted to hear in some way, and then you found out different. And the Tower situation occurred. Something came crumbling down. You weren't expecting this. What crowned you or the goal is the Two of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles is in reverse, where you're thinking, I must drop a situation, and I've been trying to do too much. I've been overworking for some of you, or just overdoing it in general. So I need 2 cards for the Two of Pentacles in reverse for Pisces. 2 cards, please. Yeah, because something was unlucky, the Wheel of Fortune again, and you're wanting your happily ever after. This, whatever occurred, you're going to, drop it out of your life. That, that was no good. And because you consider it unlucky, and you're going for your 10 of Cups, your happily ever after, your overall contentment. That is what you're going to go for. Now, the foundation, something might have cost you. You may also want your independence now. So the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. I need 2 cards for Pisces as the foundation. 2 cards, please. King of Swords could be an air sign. And they were a little chaotic. The situation with them was a little chaotic with the Chariot in reverse. Or could have came to a complete halt. For some of you, you may have lost your vehicle. That's it too with the Chariot. You couldn't go forward for some reason. But it's like something did cost you, and it had to do with the Knight of Swords. Like I said, it could be an air sign. In the past, you were dealing with an air sign, possibly. Again, Page of Swords. This person could have been looking behind without you knowing. Look behind like in social media, or just looking to where they can catch you at a fragile state. So, Page of Swords in the upright. I need 2 cards for Pisces in the past position, please. 2 cards. I'll be giving you a love reading too, so we'll see what's going on with there. You're trying to regain balance because you're not happy with whatever the situation they were bringing in. In the very near future, you got the 7 of Swords. Someone may try to do something a little underhanded, or maybe even you try to sneak off, yourself. Could be someone sneaking off, 7 of Swords. I need 2 cards for Pisces in the very near future. Could be the Knight of Cups, the energy again, the King of Pentacles. Could be a couple of people around you doing you wrong. I don't think it's you sneaking off. So realize the people you have around you and the choices you make, because this is how you can fix a situation. Don't be so trusting, okay? Don't be so trusting, and make good decisions. Just because someone offers you something, and you may seem a little confusing, they're offering you all kind of stuff, none of them are good for you, okay? It's just going to be something you already experienced. And they may cause a tower situation by letting the wrong people in, okay? So how you fix this, you just don't trust people so much. You don't just let them in, you know, just because, you know, they say, trust me. You know, they gotta earn their trust. Now, the possible future outcome and advice from the universe, you do have some blessings coming in. Let's find out what they are. Justice, you get justice, and you get a passionate new beginning. Whatever happens to you, you get justice and a blessing for it, and you start a new passionate beginning. The outside environment is the Hangman in reverse. Things are no longer to be stagnant or stuck for you. Something's coming around that will, bring you out of a stagnant situation, I should say. So the Hangman in reverse, I need 2 cards for Pisces. It's interesting. Someone's messing you over. Yeah, someone's going to help you with your finances because you didn't gain a victory in something. They're going to help you with whatever you didn't gain a victory on. They're coming out of stagnation with the 10 of Pentacles, so finances may open up pretty well. And it's going to be because someone sees that you didn't get a victory, someone with the 6 of Wands energy. So even though, you know, you got messed over, you got people that are looking out for you, you do get a passionate new beginning. Sometimes there's a blessing in disguise with the Tower. Sometimes things are meant to happen to get the wrong things out of your life, and then you start something different. And the reason why the universe does that, because you won't let go in certain situations, so they kind of force it on you. Because if it's no good for you, it'll try to clear it out, you know, if you let it. So the Knight of Wands is your hopes and fears. Maybe you're hoping towards this person. Maybe you're just going forward passionately, like I said. I need 2 cards for Pisces. You're hoping your money situation will get better because Ace of Pentacles is in reverse. You can take this energy. It's saying take in the blessings. This can be your outcome. Blessings, justice, and a passionate new beginning. Stay hopeful so it comes in. Because right now, or at the time, you're going to feel like money is not there or finances, but realize that the universe is on your side and is bringing justice to you, and you will come out of that disappointed situation. You will come out of disappointment. You just got to wait it out, okay, Pisces? Things will turn around. Something is coming in. It's going to bring you some stability. But, you know, whatever happened in the past or whatever you were dealing with, you got to watch out for people letting in your life. Just because they promise you things doesn't mean it's on the up and up. I'm going to give you a love reading. I'll be right back. Let me clean this up. First pile, second, and the third. We'll read them as separate piles, okay? And then we'll try to blend them together. If they need to make one story, we'll try. Now I need 3 cards from the Angel Answers for Pisces to give more information about love. Something wants to come out. Recovery. Need to recover from something, some of you do. I need 3 cards though. I'm not going to use that one for the 3 piles, but I will put it aside. So recovery is at hand. You need to recover from something. 3 cards from the Angel Answers. And I need 3 cards from the Psychic Tarot. 3 cards from the Psychic Tarot to let us know what the universe needs us to know. And then we'll see what, the future has in store for Pisces, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Let's see what we have here. Let your friends help and guide you. And if you ask the universe a question, or you just were asking about something or wondering about something, it is a yes to it, whatever you were wondering. And discontent and boredom. If you're bored and you're just waiting around for something or somebody, get out and do something with your friends, okay? And whatever you're asking for, whatever your heart's desire, the universe is that you're really wanting from the universe, it's a yes answer. The second pile is trust. Trust in a situation. You are called to have faith at this time. Abundance is coming, okay? and you will overcome this heartache and loss. You got to trust that you will come out of it, and that abundance is coming towards you. Got to do with love. This is a love type deck. So trust that love will come to you, even though you suffered heartache in the past, okay? Playfulness. Go out there. Have fun. Enjoy people. Enjoy romance. You know, get over heartbreak if it has anything to do with this pile. Get over that and go on and start enjoying yourself, because within the next few months, things will change for you in love, most likely, because these are love cards. And stand your ground. Take up for yourself from now on. Don't let people, walk all over you. Don't let, people take advantage, because I did see that in the main reading, that someone could possibly take advantage of you. So stand your ground and go ahead and enjoy yourself, and go out with your friends, and if you're bored. And remember, the universe is giving you a nod, a yes nod, and you will recover. I'm going to use this as the whole situation for whatever was happening to you. You will recover. Just remember to trust the universe again, because things are going to change quickly, or actually in the next few months. It does say within the next few months. And abundance is coming in again, okay? And I'll talk to you later, Pisces. I'll let this go. Bye. Saying that with that Sun card, and rejoice. You're going to be rejoicing and celebrating in the end. So I do see, you free yourself. Wait before you, get all upset and all in your head. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't make yourself sick over something, which I see you possibly doing, because someone's going to try to push their will on you. But realize that life is going to get better. Wait. Sunshine is coming in, and then you'll probably meet somebody that you really like, someone that you have a spiritual connection with. Do not attach people that aren't good for you anymore, because I do see someone trying to push themselves on you. But free yourself from that, like I said. Wait it out, because something good is really coming in, Libra. And you saw me shuffle the cards. So that is your reading. I'm going to let this go, and I will talk to you later. I got to get some cough drops or something to clear my throat. Bye.